Good morning to all. Good morning, sir. Sit down, sit down. So, about practical geometry, already in our previous classes, I discussed about the SSS condition for the construction. That means, if three sides of a triangle will be given, how you will construct a triangle. Also, I had given an example also to you. Also, we discussed the construction based upon ASA. That means two angles will be given and the joining sides of these two angles also will be given. Already I have said you. Also, we have discussed, that is, two sides will be given and one in between angle will be given. Then how can we construct the triangle? Vishwanath, Vishwajit, your place, I will change your place. Then today we will discuss about the last property, that is RHS. That means here we will construct a right angle triangle whose one right angle will be drawn, hypotenuse will be given to you, side will be one side will be given to you. Then how can you construct a right angle? Before any construction, what I said you, what should be drawn first? Very good. A rough diagram must be drawn before any construction of triangle. Why? Because from that rough diagram, we can get the idea that which one will be taken as the base, what will be the base angles, all these things, all these ideas we can get from the rough diagram. Then we can proceed the construction. So today I am just giving one question for this property because these three already gone. So I am giving a question and I am also doing it. Question, write down. In a right triangle means right angle triangle. In a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle BC side or AB side is equal to 5 centimeter and CA is equal to 7 centimeter. These are the data given to us. We will construct a right angle triangle whose angle B is equal to 90 and all other things are given. So first you will draw a rough diagram. In rough diagram, angle B will be at 90 degree and other two you can write anyway. This angle is 90 degree, we have to construct. AB is equal to given how much? 5 centimeter, means this is equal to 5 centimeter and CA is equal to 7 centimeter. CA is equal to 7 centimeter. Now, you say me, it is my rough diagram. I am getting the idea from this diagram that which one I will take as the base? BC side length is given. Then how can you draw it? Yes, where the sides lengths are given, that will be taken as the base. You said that BC you will take as base, but the length of the BC is not given. So first you take AB as the base. By using your scale, take the length AB that is equal to 5 centimeter. So by using your scale, you take 5 centimeter length. You take 5 centimeter length, measuring 5 centimeter. This is This is your BC. This is your BC. Then at point B, what angle we will construct? 90 degree, because it is given. So at B, point B, we will construct by using your round compass. You take any suitable length and draw one arc. Keeping the same, no change. From this side, you draw another arc upon it, which will give you 60 degree. Say loudly, 60 degree. Also you take another cutting, which will give the 120, but you extend it. You extend to upper side. Now, from this part, from here, you cut upon that arc, you cut another arc. Now you join this point and this point. Join it. Remember, already I have said you, the basic property of construction is that what thing is needed for you, that should be drawn on dark line, very dark line. But all other, which helps you for the construction, all other lines or all other arcs, that should be in very light lines. Understanding? Which one is needed? That should be in the dark. So I constructed here, how much? What is 90 degree? Now, what it is given? CA how much? So, using your round compass, using your rounder or round compass, from your scale, you measure 7 centimeter. You measure 7 centimeter. Okay. Then so this 7 centimeter, after measuring from your scale, from this point C, you cut one arc upon this perpendicular line, because this length is 7 centimeter. So from this point, taking 7 centimeter length, you cut upon that perpendicular lines. Now, this is your, here to here, this is your how much length? How much? 7 centimeter. No, I measured, I took it from the scale. I took the measurement from the scale. So, this is your CA, this is your point A, this is the perpendicular line, and this is your base BC. Now, the steps of construction, what you did from the beginning, what you did, that you should write, and that will be the steps of construction. So step one, no murmuring please. Step 1. What is the step 1? Draw a line segment BC of length. Hey, here it is. A B is given, no? You are not saying me? I said you, but so here, this is A. This is your A, and this is your C. So, draw, first step, draw a line segment AB equal to 5 centimeter. This is your first step of construction. Then step 2. Construct 90 degree at point B. Construct or draw an angle 90 degree at point B. And extend this line. Extend. Step 3. Taking 7 centimeter from your ruler, by using ruler, ruler means scale. Take 7 centimeter. Take 7 centimeter and cut it over. This is perpendicular, symbolically I have written. Cut it over perpendicular line BC from point A. Perpendicular line BC, perpendicular line from point A. Because C point till now we have not got. When I will cut it, then I will get the point C. That's why here I had written perpendicular line BC. That will be wrong because till now we have not got the point C. When I will cut from here upon this perpendicular line, when I will cut an arc, then only I will get the point C. Perpendicular from point C. Not let, it is this point is C. Hence, ABC is the required, shortly I have written REQD, required triangle. Hence, ABC is the required triangle. These are the steps of this construction. Okay. Do quickly. I will go to the next question from your book. This question I gave myself. So one question from the exercise I am just doing. Which chapter is this one? 208. Quick. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
If you understood, you do practice. Then question number, exercise 11B. This is a question which is on question perpendicular line. ये perpendicular का symbol है. Perpendicular. This is the perpendicular line, no? That I have written. Question number 13 of your book. Draw a right angle triangle ABC whose hypotenuse is BC and side AC is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Yes, it is a very twisted question. Here, is it given which one is the right angle? Is it given? So I am writing the question first. Draw a triangle ABC whose hypotenuse whose hypotenuse BC is 5.2 centimeter and side AC is equal to 2.8 centimeter. This is the question given. What? Let me to complete, then I will go to everybody's bench and I will explain also there. Okay, first you understand this. Understand. You wrote these steps of construction? Yes, very good. So, now come to this question. Here, first of all, you say me, this triangle is a ordinary triangle or right angle triangle? But nowhere it is given any which angle is 90 degree not given. Then how can you say it is a right angle triangle? Yes, it is a right angle triangle because hypotenuse is given. Only hypotenuse, we get hypotenuse from a right angle triangle. Now the second question, if it is a right angle triangle, which one will be the right angle? A or B or C? Which one? You see, here BC is there, here AC is there. What is the common here? C is the common for both. That means at point C, the right angle will be there. Okay, so here I am drawing the triangle, rough diagram. BC, it is given 5.2. AC, BC is the hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse. Yes, BC is the hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse. BC and AC. AC is 2.8. Yes, BC is the hypotenuse, that is 5.2. Yes, this is the question given. AC is 2.8. BC is? C will be the 90 degree, no? BC 5.2. BC is 5.2. This is the hypotenuse. Then AC. Now here angle A will be 90 degree because according to the rough diagram, that's why I was saying first you draw the rough diagram. Here BC is given, BC is the hypotenuse. So BC is 5.2. AC is equal to 2.8. That means the triangle will be like this. The triangle will be like this. And which angle will be the right angle? Angle A. So which one you will take as the base? CA. Very good. CA. So first you take CA of length 2.8 centimeter. First, using your scale, you take AC, that is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So from your scale, take 2.8 centimeter. .8 centimeter. What is this? Now this is your AC. Okay? This is your 2.8 centimeter. Now, at point A, you will draw 90 degree. Simran, at point A, you draw 90 degree. Look here. 90 degree. So you take any suitable length, draw one semicircle. Then no change of length, keeping the same. From this point, you draw one arc which will give you 60 degree. From this point, you draw another arc, but you extend that arc. Then from this 120 degree point, you cut over that extended arc. Now you see how lightly I am drawing all these lines, because these are not required things. I require what? I require a triangle. So these are it is helping, these lines helping for the construction. So you draw it in a very light line. Now, this point and this point, Vishwajit, your sound is coming more. So this is the perpendicular line now. Now what it is given? CB, how much? CB, how much given? 5.2. So CB, using your scale, measure CB, which is equal to 5.2 centimeter. From point C, that 5.2, you draw over that perpendicular line. Got it? Now I got, this is the point. I took 5.2 centimeter from the point C, CB. CB is 5.2, no? So C, this point is your B. I cut over that perpendicular line because hypotenuse is the BC. So now join this B and C. Join B and C. Join B and C. After construction of the triangle, you make dip to all these required lines. So now this is your required triangle for this given question. What happened? Saraswat, do you want to ask anything? Okay. So likewise, you will write the steps of the construction. Like this this one is the same to that one. First you take base. Then, so you can write ABC is the required triangle. Required triangle whose AC is equal to 2.8 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.2 centimeter. And angle A is equal to 90 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Question number 14 also exactly like that. Construct a triangle ABC with angle C. Question number 14 also. I am just explaining you. Question number 14. It is given same way, similar way. First I am drawing the rough diagram for question number 14. Question number 14. Construct a triangle ABC with angle C 90 degree. So ABC, we will construct a triangle ABC. Angle C is 90 degree given. AB is equal to 4.3 centimeter. AB is equal to 4.3 centimeter. ABC. Whenever you will give any naming to a triangle or quadrilateral, whatever it may be, either you may move in clockwise manner or you may move in anti-clockwise manner. Understanding what I am saying? A, B, C, I am moving in this way. A, B, C. But A, B, C, here also C, B, here also I can write A. A, B, C, ऐसे भी मैं लिख सकता हूँ. Understanding or not? Here given angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 4.3 centimeter, AB is equal to 4.3 centimeter. That means AB will be the hypotenuse. Yes. And BC is equal to 3.9 centimeter. BC is equal to 3.9 centimeter. So which one you will take as the base? BC. BC will take as the base. So first you take BC, that is equal to 3.9 centimeter. At point C, you draw the 90 degree. Then BA is 4.3 centimeter. Measure 4.3 centimeter from your scale and you cut over it or cut over that perpendicular line. Then you will get the hypotenuse BC, hypotenuse AB, and finally you will get the triangle. Okay. So now you draw all these things and we will meet once again in our next class and completing all the exercise homeworks which is given in your exercise. You just show me next class. Okay. Any doubt, I will explain you next class. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.